What's up, guys? Hope y'all are doing good. Today we're gonna be putting on this Amazon muffler on my Kawasaki Prairie 300. This muffler has been modded. It's had some of the internals taken out of it, spark resistor and stuff, but it just sounds real raspy when it starts to rev up. I'm not really a fan of it, so we ordered this thing. It's 40 bucks. It's really nice quality for the price, actually. The welds are really good. So we're gonna see how it sounds. So I'm gonna start it up and let you hear this muffler that's been modified. Then I'll change it out, and then I'll let you hear the new one. So see how raspy that sounded? So let's change it out. All right, we got this new $40 Amazon muffler put on. I'm gonna start it up. It looks awesome. It was super easy to put on, especially if you have a little welder. It comes with the reducer. Just weld that on, and then it's got springs that hold it on. It's just like a slip-on, and then just bolt it up here for the hanger. I'm gonna start this thing up. I hope you guys like it. I'll put a link to this thing in the description below. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.